Hydrocell water bottle. The Hydrocell water bottle is recommended for more reasons than just being a water holder. The insulation is what keeps the drinks cold or hot for a long time. And this is what people did not expect, especially when conditions change. It is very easy and nice to be hydrated when the water is cold and fresh, not hot and stale. The construction is strong, the bottleneck fits tightly, and even the roughest usage will not cause any leaks. When one has such a reliable bottle, it becomes part of daily life very quickly because it removes one small but constant frustration. OXO Rapid Coffee Brewer. The OXO Rapid Coffee Brewer is like the lifeline of daily rituals during those days when everything else feels off. It permits you to brew your quality coffee without the need for a bulky machine or a complicated setup. Its design is simple, consistent, and easy to clean, which enhances its practicality in limited spaces. Making coffee is one of the familiar routines that can help stabilize mood and energy more than people realize. A reliable way to prepare something soothing turns the downtime into recovery instead of tiredness. Es Preppa meal prep boxes. Food organization becomes a survival strategy faster than expected, and Es Preppa meal prep boxes are there to help you maintain structure when schedules collapse. These containers are the ones that keep the meals in the right portions, locked up and easy to carry. The material is strong and can be reused, making them fit for use over and over again without worries. When one knows for sure what food is available, it cuts down on waste and stress. A small system like this one keeps nutrition constant, even if the situations are not. Elite Gourmet Food Dehydrator. The art of food preservation probably came into being as a survival skill, but the Elite Gourmet Food Dehydrator has modernized it and made it available for all. It is as if a magic wand was waved, and fruits, vegetables, and proteins have their lives extended without the use of any complicated processes. The unit is very efficient, and the results are very consistent. The dehydrated food has less weight, is able to stay fit for a longer period of time, and thereby adds more flexibility to any plan. The control over food storage is seen as a very powerful advantage. Gotterwild Collapsible Dish Basin. Washing does not stop being a priority simply because the Gotterwild Collapsible Dish Basin. Conditions change, and the Gotterwild Collapsible Dish Basin makes hygiene manageable anywhere. It folds down flat when not in use, and expands into a sturdy basin when needed. Washing dishes, tools, or hands becomes easier without improvising. Keeping things clean prevents small issues from stacking up. Practical hygiene tools quietly protect health and morale. Capita Solar Shower. Bag. Warm water changes everything, and the Capita Solar Shower Bag offers that with very little effort. It heats water with solar power and delivers a basic shower setup wherever you are. Cleaning off after a long day quickly restores comfort and confidence. The bag is lightweight, folds easily, and works without electricity. Access to warm water brings a sense of normalcy that cannot be overstated. Foam and Paper Soap Sheets. Foam and paper. Soap sheets are an excellent solution to hand washing problem. Nonetheless, the problem is totally solved in an ultra-portable way. The sheets dissolve easily in water and do not require any bulk containers. They are very easy to carry around, very simple to use, and very surprisingly effective. Hygiene measures like this help to contain small problems. The availability of the possibility of washing hands everywhere gives one peace of mind. Yunzel Camping Towel. Set the process of drying off is as important as cleaning, and the Yunzel Camping Towel set takes care of that efficiently. These towels are very light, quick drying, and very small when packed. They good in absorption but not in staying wet for long periods. Having a fresh, dry towel instantly increases comfort. Simple pleasures often have the biggest effect on morale. Tidy Care Commode Liners. There is hardly any discussion on sanitation planning, but it is always a must, and Tidy Care Commode Liners give a framework for an unpleasant requirement. They make waste management in temporary situation easier without leaving mess or causing confusion. The liners can be used, stored, and disposed of very easily whenever necessary. Properly managed sanitation not only makes the areas more habitable, but also reduces the stress level. Ann Katie XL Camping Toilet. The Ann Katie XL Camping Toilet is able to provide not only stability, but also comfort when there are no traditional facilities. It is designed for heavy use while being portable and easily set up at the same time. The concern and the discomfort of not having a dedicated solution is gone. Even in emergency situations, comfort and dignity are very important. The toilet makes an unpleasant necessity into a simple routine. If this list changed your mind about survival gear, do not hesitate to like it so that others can find it too. Subscribe to get more honest assessments that emphasize the usefulness in real life, and do not forget to leave a comment telling us which of these gadgets was the most surprising to you. The true essence of preparedness is to be able to efficiently deal with daily needs when everything else is uncertain.